When your business relies on agents being in the right place at the right time, cross fingers just doesn't cut it. ISB had teams all across Europe, with customers relying on them to respond round the clock. Unfortunately, they had no clear view as to who was doing what, when, or how well. What they needed was one clear platform with a clear single pane of glass view as to what was going on in their business. That's where BulbTech came in. We weren't just swapping out an old system, we were providing them with a clear view as to what was going on in their business across 6 countries, 24 hours a day. Think less bells and whistles and more an insight on every call and a setup that every agent can rely on. Our first conversation with them wasn't about the technology, it was about their business, in order for us to understand the problems that they were having so that we could provide the right advice and guidance. Time was of the essence. We had less than 10 days to deliver this solution. They went from we have no clue what's actually happening to live wallboards, actionable insights within less than a week. What made the rollout that quick? Teamwork. That open and honest conversation between us and the customer. Since implementation, that customer now doesn't see a disjointed team. That customer doesn't have 6 different platforms in 6 different countries. They have a single platform with an overview of their business available to them at all times. Individually, reporting managers in teams, in countries, have access to the information as to what their teams are doing, making sure the right people are doing the right thing at the right time. Since working with us, they've become like kids at Christmas, wanting to know what's next, what more can it do, can they have more? Many other providers would have just simply sold a set of new licenses, not us. We stuck around through design and delivery and asked the questions others wouldn't. Whether you're scaling across continents or just simply trying to make hybrid working work, we'll tell you if we can help, and more importantly, we'll tell you if we can't too. Everybody has a stake in the game. We need to make sure that we're not gambling on the wrong colours.